We're going to have a look at 2016 C4 question 5. So we've got this equation here, x cubed minus 3x squared y equals 4, and I have to differentiate it. So implicit differentiation. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiating this, 3x squared. I'm going to do this bit over at the side. It's the product rule. U is 3x squared, v is y. Differentiating u, you get 6x. Differentiating y with respect to x, you get 1, but you must write dy by dx beside it. The product rule, dy by dx is u, dv by dx plus v du by dx. Just plug in your terms in. U is 3x squared, dv by dx is dy by dx, plus v is y, du by dx is 6x. So this is this bit here differentiated. So just plug it in. 3x squared dy by dx plus 6xy equals, differentiate 4 is 0. So just timesing that out to do with that minus sign. Now you want dy by dx and so on, so just bring that to the other side. I can divide everything by 3 and I can take an x out. So that leaves me x minus 2y equals x dy by dx. So I have got dy by dx is x minus 2y all over x, which is what the question was asking. Part 2 of this question is saying find the stationary point. So what's the turning point? So turning point is when dy by dx equals 0. So x minus 2y over x equals 0. So x minus 2y equals 0, x equals 2y. That is one equation with two unknowns. So I need a second equation to pop it into. So I'm going to use the one at the very start. X cubed minus 3x squared y equals 4. I'm going to plug my 2y into that. So x is 2y. Just plugging that in the whole way across. So 8y cubed minus 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12. Y squared times y is y cubed equals 4. So minus 4y cubed equals 4. So y cubed is minus 1. So y is minus 1. And x is 2 times y. So x is minus 2. So I've got my point. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 1. The question also asked you for the nature of it. To find the nature, and you'd have the second derivative. So I'm going to start up here with the first derivative and differentiate it again. So it's the quotient rule. U equals x minus 2y and v equals x. To differentiate the u, x goes to 1, 2y goes to 2, but you must write dy by dx beside it. dv by dx is 1. So the quotient rule. So differentiating again, so make sure you write the second derivative down. v du by dx minus u dv by dx all over v squared. So v, just be careful putting your terms in here, du by dx is 1 minus 2 dy by dx minus u, which is x minus 2y, dv by dx is just 1, all over v squared, which is x squared. Now plug in your numbers in. d2y over dx squared. X is minus 2. 1 minus 2 times dy by dx, I'll come back to that in a second, minus x is minus 2. Minus 2 times y, minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2 all over x squared. Minus 2 squared is 4. To find my dy by dx value, all I do is I take my dy by dx, which I have up there, and just plug your x and y into it. So that gives me a value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2 all over minus 2. So it's 0. So tidying this up, I get minus 2. 1 minus, that becomes 0. Minus, that becomes 0 over 4. So I'm left with minus 2 over 4 minus a half. So it's in beneath 0. So it's a maximum turning point. And I would just combine all that at the end. So max turning point, and the x is minus 2 and the y is minus 1.